What's the meaning of chuck her out? Chuck her out. Chuck her out.
Chuck her out. Chuck her out. The term chuck her out is a colloquial expression that means to forcibly eject or remove someone or something from a place or situation. This could refer to a bouncer throwing out a rowdy patron from a bar, or a landlord evicting a tenant for non-payment of rent. The result of being chucked out is that the person or thing being removed is no longer allowed to be present in that location or situation, and may face further consequences such as legal action or a ban from returning.